So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. I'm going to show you how you can find the health of your SSD, the SSD storage on your Windows laptop if it is causing some error for you. Now, in order to do it, simply click on Start menu, go to Settings. You can find settings anywhere. Now here, simply search for storage on the search bar, and here you'll see this option of storage settings right there. Now, once you're in the storage settings, it will take some time analyze everything for you. Now you just simply need to click on this option of advanced storage settings, and here you'll see this option of disk and volumes. Click over there, and here you'll find the details of all the volumes right there. Along with that, you can find the condition that in my case currently states as healthy. That means that my drive is working as it's supposed to be, and if it does not in your case, that means it is a thing that you have to be cared about. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.